Welcome back. Today I have a new project to show you. It's a Dutch tool chest. In fact, the camera is sitting on top of it right now. Alright, so here it is. This is a design originally by Schwarz. I modified it a little bit to accommodate some bigger saws, which you'll see here in a second. But the big feature of this is that the top of it is actually slanted, not a flat top. Usually tool chests generally have flat tops. So let's take a look here and get into it. Okay, so this is the top compartment. You'll notice I have my saws up here in these little holders. These are the big saws, rip and a crosscut saw. Down in the main compartment here, there's a bunch of my most commonly used hand tools. Alright, now let's take a look at what is up top. So here's a better view of the tools, the common tools that are up top. Against this back wall here, we have all my chisels, mortising chisels, bench chisels, various marking tools, aws, screwdrivers, cutting gauges, bevel, mortise gauge, and a hammer. Down here in the main part are my commonly used bench planes, my smoothing plane, jack plane, and joiner plane. And then back over here are all my commonly used saws. So cross and rip joinery saws, dovetail saw, my jigsaw, and you can barely see it here, but there's a flush cut saw. And I also keep these aluminum winding sticks that I use close at hand. There's also a little stick that I made just to be on the safe side to kind of lock the lid in place. And that's pretty much it. All my commonly used tools are here and easily available. I've been using this chest for a while now and I love it. So one of the cooler features of this tool chest is at the top here there's this sliding lock, which is just a thin piece of wood. And what it does is it unlocks this bottom compartment. And you'll notice this is just has a little guide here for that lock, and then it has these slats which sort of lock the bottom edge in place so that the sliding lock can hold it all closed by just going through here. But otherwise there's no hinges or anything like that. And then down here I keep my less commonly used tools. So things like my brace, spoke shave, shoulder plane, router plane, rabbet plane. There's even some carving gouges that I keep down here, and a big Stanley 45 combination plane. So these things I use less often, so I keep them down below. And when I'm done, I can just put the fall front back in place, slide the lock down in, and it's nice, locked up. So soon I'm going to release a series of videos on how I constructed this tool chest. So if you're interested in that kind of thing, stay tuned. I should have some more videos up shortly. Otherwise, thanks for watching.